Welcome to my Pizzazz Mystery Object Writing Exercise. Hi, storytellers. Today we're going to dive into a fun imaginative exercise that will spark our creativity and build your storytelling skills. Get ready to build a story. In this activity, I'm going to show you a few strange and unusual objects, but there is a twist. I won't reveal what each item is. Instead, you will just get a peek enough to get your curiosity going. You will choose an object, one, two, or three. Then your job is to imagine and write a story about where the object came from, who might have owned it, and what magical powers or secrets it might hold. I want you to take out a piece of paper and write these three things down. Number one, where did the object come from? Number two, who might have owned it? And number three, what magical powers or secrets does it hold? Take a good look at object number one. Take a good look at object number two. Take a good look at object number three. Think about what object you will choose. Let's get started. Let's look at this object. What do you think? Who might have carried this around? Was it a wizard keeping track of mystical events? Or maybe a pirate marking time until the next high tide? Let's describe the object. Take a look at the object. Think about what you can see and feel. Describe its look, texture, and maybe its smell. Is it old, new, or maybe a bit worn? Imagine holding it in your hands. What would that be like? Raise your hand to share your thoughts. Let's talk about the character. Who is your character? Imagine the kind of person who would carry something like this around. Were they an explorer, a time traveler, or maybe a magician? Raise your hand to share your thoughts. What is the object's story? How old is this object? Did it bring them luck? Or was it a tool for their adventures? Did they keep it hidden because it held some kind of power? Raise your hand to share your thoughts. Let's give it a twist. To make the story really exciting, let's add a twist. Does this object have a magical power? Maybe it can transport someone to a different place when they look onto it. Or it might reveal secrets about its previous owner. Think about what would surprise your readers. Adding a twist can help bring your story to life. Raise your hand to share your thoughts. Now we can finish with a grand reveal. At the end of your story, consider revealing what the object truly is and what its purpose might have been. This is the part that will make your story memorable and keep your readers thinking. Raise your hand to share your thoughts. There you have it, storytellers. By using mystery objects like this one, you can create endless stories and bring your imagination to life. Remember, there's no wrong way to do this. The most important thing is to let your ideas flow. Be descriptive and have fun building a story around something mysterious. Now it's your turn. Now that your creative juices are flowing, on the next slide, you will choose one mystery object. One, number two, or number three. Once you choose your object, your job is to imagine and write your own story, just like we did with this object. Are you ready? Good. Let's go. On your paper, write down these four things to help you remember. Number one, describe the object. Number two, character. Number three, the object's story. Number four, give it a twist. And number five, grand reveal. Take a good look at number one. Take a good look at number 2. Take a good look at number 3. Now choose your object. It's okay if you want to draw it on your paper. It's your turn. Begin your story now. Now it's time for the best part. Raise your hand if you want to share your story. That was fun. You are the best storytellers. Now, take out your colored pencils, your markers, your crayons, draw a cover, and upload your cover and your story to my Pizzazz online magazine. We can't wait to see you shine.